Hi everybody, Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Eve and tonight we're going to light off some fireworks. I'm going to show you everything I bought and then I'll show you how I have it set up, and then later we'll show some video of the actual show. So the first two items I have is the New York Harbor Show and the Exterminator. Both of these I have used before. They're both really nice firework kits. They're both canister shell kits. I like them for different reasons, but I've used them both and I would recommend either one of them. The New York Harbor Show, I've got 2 boxes of these. There is quite the a variety of different colors and explosions within this box. So this is a nice overall fireworks kit to have. The Exterminator, I got 3 boxes of those, and the Exterminator is a more powerful firework, which means they will fire higher in the air, they'll have bigger explosions, and they will be a lot louder. So I'm really a big fan of this one. This is definitely a good one to have. The thing I got was a hypersonic accelerator. This is kind of a grand finale item. There's 18 shots in this thing. It's pretty big. I've never used this before, but the guy at the store was talking pretty highly about it, so I figured I'd give it a try. Looks like it's got some pretty neat things on it, so looking forward to seeing how that works. Here we have all the cylinders from those other boxes. I have 7 cylinders on one piece of plywood and 6 on another. And what I've done was I took 4 screws and put it through the base of each of the cylinders to hold them all in place. This helps ensure that they're going to be fired in the direction I want them to. I also bought some fuses, some extra fuses, so I could fuse some of these shots together. So there's 2 different types of fuses you can get. There's the fast burning fuse and a slow burning fuse. This particular one's fast burning, which will just allow the fuse to burn quicker and will have the shots go off quicker. And then I use masking tape to tape them to the fuse that goes down to the shell that's down inside the tube. And over here I have all the different shells that I'll be lighting off, and I've got them already pre-taped and pre-fused together so that it'll make it easier to reload the cylinders and fire off the next group. It takes a little bit of time to do this, but it's not that bad. It's pretty quick, and it just makes, when it comes time to actually firing these off, to be a little bit quicker. I've also got a few here that are just single shots that I'll just fire off separately, which, you know, it's kind of nice to just do that every once in a while too. This particular one here is the one that came out of the Exterminator box. This is a really big shell, and it also gives you kind of a description there of what the colors are going to be and the display is going to be. So that allows you the options to, you know, if you want to have 4 shots that are all blue, you can find 4 that are the same color and launch them all at the same time. So you can really have a little bit of control over the types of displays you're going to have when you fire these off. This one here is out of the New York Harbor Show, and this one here is also out of the New York Harbor Show. And as you can see, there's some difference in size there. That Exterminator is a lot bigger than the other one. So it just gives you kind of an idea of how powerful of a firework that one is. So that's everything I've got set up for right now. I'm looking forward to lighting this off. We have, I think, 112 shots total to fire off. So should be a good little display. So I'm looking forward to doing it. I hope you all enjoy it.
Kaboom!